Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how to compare your net profit margin and gross profit margin to the industry benchmark. It's going to be very easy and simple step. So first you can log into your QuickBooks account and then you can go to your left side menu. You can go to reports here and go to performance center. And in the performance centers, you will see quick ads charts. You can click the drop down and you will find NPM versus industry benchmark and GPM versus industry benchmark. Before you click it, you can go to settings first and you can choose the industry. I'm choosing the commercial banking, just for example, and click chef. After that, you can just choose. Maybe you want to check the NPM, and this is the industry benchmark. As you can see, this is my NPM, and this is the benchmark of the industry. You can see, you can click this one to remove it, and you will see the industry benchmark here, and also you can make it appears again. And for the GPM, you can just click this one, gross profit margin, and you will find this comparison. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.